The Change XTERM Attribute Direction tool allows the user to change the direction of a selected attribute with a single click. Now, the direction we're talking about is this second character that is a part of any XTERM attribute. In AutoCAD Electrical, this attribute needs to be defined in the second character with either a 1 for a wire connection that's coming in from the right-hand side, a 2 for a wire connection that's coming in from the top, a 4 with a wire connection that's coming in from the left, or an 8 with a wire connection that's coming in from the bottom. And obviously in this case, all of these wire connection attributes are the same, so we need to change those. So I'm going to pick the XTERM Attribute Direction icon from the menu. And down in the command line, I'm going to type in number 2 for my direction code and hit enter. And all I have to do is click on these attributes and they're automatically renamed. Now if I hit enter, I can go back to that direction code and type in 4. And now I can change these to 4. Do it one last time for the bottom attributes and change these to 8. Now this works for any XTERM attribute, and so you can see how this would be very beneficial for, say, a larger symbol that would have dozens and dozens of these that perhaps are facing the wrong direction. You can very quickly go through them all and change them with just a single click, one at a time.